black like his jacket, American spirit hanging out of his mouth. Just like our daddy, he kick-started that bike one night and broke mama's heart. He pointed that headlight west, out where the wild things are. He'd call me up every couple of weeks from South California, talk about the desert and the Joshua tree, his pretty girl stories, and how he bought an Extreme trailer and a J45 guitar. Said, little brother, you'll love it out here.
Your kneecaps are forfeit.
Wild things are. I called my brother from the back of that plane the second I made it. We started drinking on the strip in LA, and then it got crazy. Ended up at a house in the hills with some Hollywood stars, kissing on a blonde in a backyard pool, out where the wild things are. Oh, yeah. Couple iron horse ripped, wild as the devil. Say goodbye to my brother at the end of that summer, but I knew he'd never leave. Oh, its heart's on fire and crazy dreams. Oh, and the night sing out like gasoline. Oh, them Indian scouts, man, they're built for speed.
There he goes.
The door slammed loud and we climbed
Oh yeah.